Odoo Dynamic Report Builder. Introducing the Odoo Dynamic Report Builder. Your powerful tool for designing, generating, and exporting real-time data reports effortlessly. With just one click, export reports directly into Excel format, perfect for offline access, sharing with your team, or advanced analysis. Use the advanced filtering options to narrow down your data set before generating your report. Also, from the Advanced Settings tool, you can select the related type of data and select related fields and save the report. The user-friendly interface lets you create and configure reports using a drag-and-drop layout or predefined model fields. No coding skills required. To see more videos on Odoo, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.